crazy cats.
Today we are going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay guys, before we start this video, please go and follow us on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. We do daily snaps, so it's under age 2 kids fun. And yeah, are you guys excited to start this video?
Yeah.
Okay, so first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the glue. We have the white glue. Okay, so we have the white glue and the clear glue. Okay, Hadil, so why are you opening your eyes?
It's hurting my eyes.
It's hurting your eyes? So Zidane and Hadil, you have to keep the blindfold like
I got it.
on, like the entire time. Okay? Okay, so choose. Okay, choose first the clear or the white glue, Hadil. Choose one.
I want clear.
Okay, so get it.
Clear?
I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you.
Let's see.
How are you gonna see? You have blindfolds. Your eyes.
I need the other one.
Okay. The other one. Hang on.
Where is it?
Okay, the other one here. How are you gonna know? What is she trying to do? Okay,
Feel it.
okay, don't spill it.
Oh, okay, yeah, this one's the clear glue.
Okay. Okay. So first you start with your glue. Pour some. So Hadil, you have, what do you think it is? Clear glue?
Yeah.
What about Zidane? What do you think it is, Zidane?
I think mine is clear glue.
Okay.
No, dang it.
Is it clear glue?
This isn't clear glue.
How do you know?
Because I could like feel it.
But you felt it the first time.
Yeah, but no, this isn't. Can I switch it?
No, how do you know? Maybe it is. Okay, so
Wait.
now the glue is on. Yes, Hadil.
Me and Zidane switch blindfolds.
Why? So you have to close it. Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed.
I am keeping it.
Zidane, keep your eyes closed.
What are you doing? Oh, this is way better. Oh, this is so much better. Okay, anyways.
Okay, Zidane, put it on. Put it on. Zidane, did you cover your eyes?
Yeah, I can't see nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So now choose your ingredients. So you have few stuff here. So just tell me what you wanna get, Hadil. So what did you add?
What is this? Is this even full?
Yeah, you already added it.
Oh.
So what do you think you added?
Glitter.
Okay. Well, what
Silver
color?
and confetti so far.
Okay.
This one is
Okay. What about you, Zidane?
purple. Not purple, like a blue.
Purple or blue? You said purple?
Yeah, purple.
Okay. Okay. So she think purple and blue color. What color you think you have in your hands?
Yellow maybe.
Yellow. Okay.
So I have to make it really dark. So it'll be
Okay. So yellow.
or blue or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe green. What is this?
Okay, Zidane.
Yeah.
What did you add?
I don't know.
Ooh,
I
what
think
is
this is I don't know what this is.
Okay. So what color do you think you added?
Look at this.
Nice. I like that color. Zidane, are you sure you're not peeking?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, can I pour this in?
Nice colors. Okay. So what color do you think is this, Hadil?
Maybe green.
Okay. Okay, Zidane, he's still adding. Zidane, what do you think the colors are?
Something.
Something. So you have no idea because your eyes have to be closed at all times, right?
All right. Got some pom-poms in there. And that's it.
Okay.
Let's mix it.
Okay. So very interesting.
Pour these in.
So what are you putting inside? What are you putting inside? I don't think you're gonna be so happy with what you're putting right now.
Probably like the containers.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Hadil, keep
I
mixing.
think it's enough.
Keep mixing, Hadil. Keep mixing. Mix, mix, Hadil. Mix, Zidane. You have to keep mixing.
Okay.
Mix, mix, mix. You have to keep mixing.
That's it. I'm not mixing anymore.
No, you have to. Like, there's so many stuff in there.
Oh,
Wow, Zidane. I love your slime. So pretty. Keep mixing, Hadil. Keep mixing.
oh,
Good job,
the glue
Zidane.
smells weird.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, Zidane, I love it. Looks like galaxy. Look at Hadil's slime. Okay, keep mixing. So Hadil, would you like to add more ingredients to your slime?
Sure.
Okay. Nice.
Add some of this food coloring.
Food coloring. Okay.
Some of this food coloring.
Okay, you're putting food coloring everywhere. Make sure the food coloring stays in your slime.
I
Okay,
think we should
go.
keep mixing, Hadil.
Okay, that's it.
No more mixing? Okay, you wanna add the activator now? Perfect. So, okay, so I want you, before you add the activator, wait, Hadil. So before you add the activator, both of you, I want you to look at your slime at the count of 3. Okay? Wait, Hadil. And 3. Wait, Zidane. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow!
Oh my god, look at that perfect slime. Wow, Hadil, do you like your slime?
Yeah, it's pretty. What the heck is this?
Your slime is pretty? So, what is this? Like your slime, it's so...
No, what is this?
What is it? It's food coloring.
Yeah, they made a barbecue food coloring.
It's right there. You put food.
Oh.
And he put mustard.
Yeah!
What? No! Don't put the slime! Oh, no!
That's okay, it's still perfect.
Okay, at least it's dark and it's still perfect. Okay, so you want to add the activator? So Hadil, oh, it smells so strong. So Hadil,
Well, mine is gonna turn out even better than yours.
you think so?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so let's see if Hadil's gonna turn into slime. Guys, comment down below what do you think about Hadil and Zidane slime. So Hadil, how is your slime coming?
So it looks like it's slime, right?
Yeah. Did it work?
No.
Okay. So Hadil,
Ask me.
what about you, Zidane?
No.
It didn't work?
And it's just chaotic. Let's go!
Okay. Okay, Hadil.
Are you making
Ooh,
that
look
noises?
at this. So pretty. Okay. Okay, Zidane, hold it tight. Here we go. Okay, that's enough.
What are you doing?
Okay, Zidane, make a bubble.
This is disgusting.
Look at Zidane's. It's so pretty. It's like galaxy.
Yep.
Ooh, nice. Another big bubble. Come on, come on, come on. Nice. Okay, guys, comment down below if you do like Zidane slime. Okay, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say bye, crazy cats.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put this video a big
Thumbs up.
Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below the slime you like better.
Do you consider yours as a slime?
It's a goo.
Okay.
So, what slime or goo?
Guys, do you like Hadil's goo?
I'm a crazy cat. Meow!
Okay.
Meow, meow.
Bye.